Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive Fiat 500 Manual Easy Guide. Start by sitting comfortably, adjusting the seat and mirrors, and identifying the clutch, brake, and accelerator. Familiarize yourself with the gear pattern and practice shifting while the engine is off to avoid stalls. Always fasten your seatbelt, check surroundings, and choose a quiet parking lot or empty road for your first attempts to build confidence. To start smoothly, hold the clutch fully down and select first gear, then find the clutch bite point slowly. As you reach the bite point, ease a little gas with the accelerator while gradually releasing the clutch to move forward without jerking. If the engine sputters, press the clutch and restart calmly. Repeat this in a safe space until you can combine clutch and throttle confidently for consistent, smooth takeoffs. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy car tips. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep and car snacks tidy and spill-proof, great for commuting or long drives in your Fiat 500. They fit neatly in the glove box or under a seat. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When changing gears, aim to upshift at moderate revs to keep the engine happy and the ride smooth. Downshift as needed before losing power and match revs to prevent harsh transitions. On uphill, use the handbrake technique. Hold the brake, find the clutch bite, add a little throttle, then release the handbrake as you feel vehicle pull. Practice hill starts to build timing and confidence so traffic situations feel manageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.